Good morning, dear students. Welcome to St. Mary's English High School. Hope you all are good and fine at your home. Dear student, today we are going to study English subject through English Bal Bharti textbook Standard 6. Dear student, today we are going to study very interesting lesson, chapter number 1.7, Paramvir Chakra, Our Heroes, from Unit 1. But before I start this lesson, I would like to give short introduction related to this lesson. Let's start. Do you all know who save us around of this country, keeping us safe? Yes, yes, you are correct. It is our soldiers. We live in a country with a sense of security because of our brave soldiers, even at the cost of their life and guiding us with their presence on the land, at the sea, or in their air. The extraordinary acts of bravery. Dear student, because of our soldiers, we are safe in our country. So, this lesson is regarding to the Paramvir Chakra, our heroes. The soldier of our country is our real heroes. Here I start the lesson. This is the first part which I'm going to explain you today, dear children, and the second part I will explain you in our second video. Here is the sub paragraph of this chapter. 1.7, Paramvir Chakra, our heroes. You may have heard about legendary heroes. Now, dear student, what is mean by legendary? Very famous and admire of the past and the extraordinary, the special, ordinary act of bravery, encouragement. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decoration on them. In this first paragraph, it has mentioned that the great warriors in the past who have fight for our country, for our nation, have the great deals of our nation, the extraordinary act of bravery, how they have fight in the war. Even today we are remember and we are very proud of that. But today also there are so many soldiers who are fighting for their countries. They have sacrificed their life for their country, and for whom they are fighting, for their nation, for ourselves they are fighting. So because of their sacrifice for their country, for nation, the organization of this country has honored by a medal, by Paramvir Chakra. They have awarded by the Paramvir medal. Let's move to the second sub paragraph, children. Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is for the most conspicuous. Conspicuous means something that attracts attention, bravery, or something daring for pre-eliminate act for the burial or self-sacrifice in the presence of enemy, whether on land, at the sea, or in the air. Now in the second sub paragraph, student, I would like to tell you that Paramvir Chakra is the highest military decoration. It is awarded the most outstanding soldier who has just sacrificed for the nation, the country, that attracts the attention for their bravery. While fighting on the war, they have sacrificed their life or something that they have done for their country. So the pre-element act for the wearer. The Indian Army force of military consisted of three personal uniform. For example, I would like to tell the name. The Indian Army force compromise for the three division: the Indian Army of India, which fights on the land; the second is the Navy branches of the India, which fight on the ship; the third and last, the Indian Navy Air Force, These are the three military army forces which are fighted through the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or air. Dear student, let's move to the third sub paragraph. The Paramveer Chakra is very rare honor. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awarded were given posthumously. Posthumously means after a person that the soldier awarded by after his death. So, in this sub paragraph, the Paramveer Chakra is very unusually honored. It is not awarded to everyone. It is very special and it is given to very the person, the soldier who has sacrificed their life by fighting on the war. So this medal is just awarded 21 times, and 40 of these were awarded given by posthumously, means the soldier who has uh, died while fighting the war. Now, dear student, let's move to the fourth sub paragraph. The medal itself is very simple in appreciation. Dear student, what is mean by appreciation? The way that something look. It is made of bronze and is fitted with a silver mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. Now the medal was looking such nicely and it was made of bronze. Bronze means a yellowish or lower brown of copper, and it was having a silvery purple ribbon upside. On the observe, it has the Indian national emblem. When it has observe, it has written the Indian national emblem. Indian national emblems means the symbol of an object that represents something of a nation. At the certain surrounding by four replicas of Indra Brajra, and in the medal it has replicates the weapons of Indra Vajra from up down right left. It was the design made of Indra Vajra weapons. On the reserve, the word Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus forward in between. So the backside of the medal, it was written Paramveer Chakra in Hindi and English, and beside in the middle it was the flower of lotus. It was there. So the move to the next paragraph. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitri Kankonkar. Now the Paramveer Chakra was designed by made by Savitri Bai Kankonkar. She was an European lady. So the Paramveer Chakra was made by Savitri Bai Kanokar, and she was an European lady who married Vikram Kanokar, an Indian army officer. So Savitri Bai Kanokar, she was an European lady and she married to Vikram Kanokar, and his husband was an Indian army officer. Savitri Bai loved India and looked like Indian citizenship. So Savitri Bai love India and she respect the Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi frequently. Now she was frequently means uh, having very frequently, or speak, read and write language easily and well. So she was very frequently, she is very good in Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, and she talk very frequently, and had studied Indian arts and traditional in deep, and she has studied art and traditional in deep. So Savitri Bai Kanurkar is an European lady who married to Vikram Kanurkar, and she loved Indian citizenship. She spoke frequently Hindi, English, and Marathi. Let's move to the next paragraph. Indra Vrajra or thunderbolt. Thunderbolt means a flash of lightning along with a thunder that strike at something. So thunderbolt means that. The Indra Vrajra or thunderbolt is supported to be matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invisible? Invisible means dear, unbeatable, impossible to defeat. in the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadaji. They were trying to make such type of weapons so no one can defeat, or no one can, we can say, unbeatable to that such kind of weapons. So they were trying to make such kind of Indra Vajra weapons of sage Dajaji. Let's move to the next paragraph. According to the legend, thousand of year ago a demon had stolen all the water in the world. According thousand year ago there was a demon means a evil, or a, we can say, spirit. So he had stolen means steal, all the water of the world. He has stolen, or steal all the water from the world. So what happened? In conscience, people were suffering and dying without water. So people were getting unconscious and dying without having a water. They start dying because the demon has steal all the water from the world, and no one human was not getting water to drink. Because of that they were suffering for unconscious and started dying. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon. So this demon means evil was not defeated by any weapon, so it was regarded as some special weapon made and killed to this demon. So what happened further, let's see. The ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. Something extraordinary was required. It was learned that the sage Dadaji had a bone of such extraordinary power. So, to kill that evil, to kill that demon, it was required a special superpower weapon. So everyone comes to know that state Dadachini has such kind of superpower, and with the help of his bone we can make such kind of weapon to kill that demon. But how could one ask for the bone for a living man? And it, but how is possible anybody can ask for the bone, the person who is live, who is living? But the state Dadachini was a noble person. But the Dadachini was a very kind and noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bone to help the person. So he has sacrificed his life. He has give his life to protect the other person, to save other person. So he has given his own bone to help the person. The Indra Vajra, Indra weapon of thunder, was fashioned by this bone, and the demon was defeated, and with the help of that bone the weapon has made. So the Indra weapon of thunderbolts was fashioned of these bones. Our demon was defeated. Because of the help of says Dadaji board, the demon was killed and every was protected. Let's move to the last sub paragraph of. So, just as the Indra Vajra derived power from the said Dadajini bones, the Indian army derived its strength and power for the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakra holders. So, as the said Dadajini has sacrificed his life to save other people, so to rewarded to a soldier, it has awarded the Paramveer Chakra. So it has name as a Paramveer Chakra. So dear children, in this lesson, let us derive the inspiration from our brave, selfless soldiers who has sacrificed their life for our nation, and had to make final sacrifice for our country, our nation, our motherland of India. So they were awarded for the Paramveer Chakra medal. This is the first part of the lesson, dear student. Hope you all understood. Now second part I will explain you on the second video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.